Assalamualaikum. My name is Isha Shahzad and I am a student of PCS 1A. The topic of my presentation is Initial Problems of Pakistan. When the day of freedom was approaching near, Constitutional Assembly elected Quaid-e-Azam as a president, and on 14 August, Pakistan emerged on the world map. Pakistan had two parts, East Pakistan and West Pakistan. Initially, Pakistan faced many problems, some of them which are discussed below. Unjust division by Redcliffe. Punjab and Bengal will be divided into Muslim majority areas. According to the 3rd June plan, it was decided that the Muslim majority areas and non-Muslim majority areas will be given to India and Pakistan. But Redcliffe unjustly deprived Pakistan of some important areas. He also gave Pathankot to India, which led towards Kashmir issue. The next is Rehabilitation of Refugees. According to the plan, 5 Muslim majority provinces were given to India. 13 million people almost suffer. 6 suffer a lot, as Punjabis. Punjab is very beneficial land for them. Women were kidnapped and raped at the time of migration. Almost 1 million people died. Pakistan is not a stable state at that time, so refugees camps were made late in Lahore and Kasur with no proper clothes, food and shelter. The next is formation of government and administrative problem. India already had established capital offices and services. Non-Muslim government officials previously working in the area of Pakistan shifted to India. Pakistan had lack of manpower and the people of Pakistan were illiterate at that time. Next is issue of princely states. India had 562 princely states. They had their own choice to choose India or Pakistan. Majority already selected, but 4 states remained undecided, which are Hyderabad, Manavadar, Junagadh and Kashmir. Later, Hyderabad, Manavadar and Junagadh will also become part of India. The next is Kashmir issue. India invaded war in 1948. LOC had made the area of Kashmir where India attacked became Jammu and Kashmir, and the rest of the part will be part of Azad Kashmir, the part of Pakistan. Kashmir also had 70% of Muslim majority. Division of armed forces and military assets were also a big issue. Unfair division of weapons had happened. 64% of weapons were given to India and 36% to Pakistan. And not a single factory was being developed at that time in Pakistan. Later, Pakistan will give 60 million to set up an ordnance factory. Division of financial assets. At the time of partition, 400 billion were deposited by World Bank to United India. 750 million were allotted to Pakistan. Only 200 million was paid to Pakistan by India. After some time, 500 million paid in 1951 and 50 million never paid. River water issue is also a major problem. India cut off canal water supply to Punjab. Punjab and Sindh provinces are irrigated by River Indus and its tributaries. Indus Water Treaty was signed in September 1960 by World Bank between India and Pakistan, and according to that treaty, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum were given to Pakistan, whereas Ravi, Sutlej and Beas were given to India. The last is economic problem. At the beginning of Pakistan, there were no transportation, no central banks and no industries, due to which first budget was made in 1948 and 49, which was very late as Pakistan came into existence in 1947. Thank you.